Hey everybody! Today is gonna be a completely different video. This is about how to become a makeup artist, how to get into this industry, how to be a popular makeup artist in social media, having an accent, a huge accent. It's not easy. It takes a lot of time, money, effort, stress, but it's all worth it. A year and a half ago, I was completely zero. I didn't know where to start from, where to find my clients, how to get into the social media, so all my life was completely different. I was a cook, and it wasn't a job of my dream. I had to work there because I'm an immigrant in Canada. My English wasn't great at all, and I still have a huge accent. I didn't even expect that I can do something more here. I was just a girl who didn't know anything about makeup, contouring, highlighting stuff, who posts in Instagram just once a month. And now I'm still not that popular, but I already do pretty good makeup and have enough followers on Instagram. And actually, I'm still working on my social media content. I'm ready to share with you some of my tips. The first one, be positive. Be positive to everything happens to you. I swear it works. If you're positive in the world, you will get that positive energy. Trust me. People don't want to listen about your problems. They don't need your life's shit. Try to avoid all negativity. The second one, be active. Post a lot of stories, post on Instagram, Snapchat, TikTok, YouTube, any popular social media. Don't give up that your videos don't get enough likes or views. Just keep doing what you're doing and you will start getting people's love. The third one, save money. Don't go to the expensive makeup schools or courses. They don't give you more information than any less expensive online courses. You can get a lot of free content on YouTube. I got my first certificate online. I only paid 700 Canadian dollars for the course that lasts 4 months. And I got so much useful information from it. I cannot say that my makeup artistry is worse than any others who graduated in expensive makeup school and paid over a couple $1,000s. Find a course which is gonna work for you and save as much as you can, because in the future you will have to spend a lot of money. Try to find a cheapest way to become a makeup artist. Always try to save money. Number 4, don't be afraid. Don't be afraid if people won't like your makeup and maybe hate it. If you have an accent like me, don't be afraid to talk in front of the camera. Remember that your people love you for your energy and work. I was born and raised in Russia. I didn't speak English before I moved to Canada, and obviously I'm gonna have an accent for the rest of my life. But you know what? I'm actually proud that I can speak 2 languages instead of just one. And I don't care that some people don't like my makeup or my accent. And again, don't be afraid to create or to do something new. Number 5, create your portfolio. To get more practice and to get your first clients, you have to build your portfolio. So what I recommend to do is to join all photographers, makeup artists, models, groups in your country, in your city, and collaborate with them for free. And yes, for free. Do at least 50 collaborations to get enough of the different makeup styles to get more confidence. That is what you have to do for sure. And as a bonus, you will get some of the good contacts. I understand that you want everyone to love what you do, but it's not possible. And you're gonna be comfortable with that. Makeup is much deeper than just makeup, but there's gonna be another video about it. I'm not the best, and I'm still learning too. I might be wrong. I wish you the best, and I hope you enjoyed this video and got a lot of positive energy from me. Love you all. See you on the next video.